Today I'll show what I keep calling our little garden, which actually is 50,000 square meters of land. This is the neighbor's dog always greeting us. So I marked the outline of our land with red, with the house on the highest part. The garden, compost and greenhouse will be built near the house. This is a relative flat and dry area compared to the lower areas that are marked in green here in the second photo. This is about 2,500 square meters, though we might expand that later. This is where we want to have our vegetable garden. We might expand that later on, but we start with fencing off this first. Our great workers Neve and Felipe have built the first stage of the compost area, and the poles for the other two stages are in already. This is also the part of the land where we will build a greenhouse.
Such a little bit. Nice. Yeah. That box could go on about just a bit of plastic. This box should not go.
When our friends arrive in March, they will add their horses to the herd that is currently here. They prefer to have electric wire instead of barbed wire, so Petra, Neve and Felipe are placing the insulators at the existing fences and adding fences where required. Here the horses are still standing on what now has the compost area and what will be the garden. Just next to the land, in the forest, there are old beehives, and we think it looks like it's a village for fairies. This part behind the trees also is part of the land. It's called Vaos das Bestias, the frozen breath of the horses. This is one of the most beautiful parts of the land. Though the little river with the trees around it is also absolutely gorgeous. Petra and I cleaned out the hen house and we decided to go for a deep litter method that basically covers the dirty coverings with new ones. This gives a nice dry top for the chickens and it makes a quick good compost when you clean it out. Neve is helping out with the pine flakes we just bought. We want to go for flax later on as it's better for the chickens, but the store we visited now only had pine. The next video will be about Petra's huge workshop, so like and subscribe until the next video.